Today we're changing the battery in our 2012 Subaru Outback key fob, and we're going to replace it with a brand new CR1620. It's a 3-volt battery. This is from Panasonic. I'll leave a link in the description. Be certain when you're buying these that you don't accidentally buy a 2016 battery, 2016, because there is such a thing, similar form factor. I think it's a slightly larger disc than the 1620. So to get inside this, there is a tiny Phillips screw right here by my right thumb. We're just going to take a precision screwdriver 000, and we're going to remove this screw. There it is. Use one of these slotted screwdrivers to try and just pick this lid off. Okay. So now this piece right here is going to come out completely. I think it will just flop out. Yep. So we'll move this out of the way. And now we've got our little button interface, and there are 3 clips to keep this thing latched. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. So we're just going to kind of pry that with our thumb on each of these to try and release it, working our way around, back around again. Wait, was there 4? There might be 4. There's 4 of these. Okay. There it is. Just be gentle with these little clips. You don't want to break them off. Should be able to work at them just real gently. And here's our battery. So I'm just going to look for a place where I can, yeah, just right here I was able to just kind of pop that out. Okay, so I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just cut along this line. These are, I guess, tamper resistant because you don't want kids getting into them. It's a pretty good sturdy set of scissors. Gonna be the hardest part of the job is just getting the battery out. Alright, there's our new battery. And if you'll recall, this kind of went in upside down. So the side with the information of the battery is going to go face down. Just snap it in there. I'm going to take this, line it back up. It can only go one way because it's a very unique shape. We'll work our way around. Get all these clips to seat. Okay, I think that's good. Once again, this can only go one way back into the key. That drops in like so. Bring our cover back around. It kind of snaps in. And then grab the right screwdriver. Snug this up. Doesn't have to be super tight. We should be good. Let's see if we can hear the car from here. You're not going to hear it, but I did. You might have heard it. Alright, I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Working.